Hi, my name is Dale, and this is an early prototype of the Speakeasy Cubes. The Speakeasy Cubes were created based on my intention to build social capital. And social capital, written about several times. One is a book called Bowling Alone, if you'd like to check into it. But basically, it is this intangible fabric, this glue that binds together a society. And unfortunately, in America, it's in decline, in particular in America compared to other countries. And in my own way, with my creative background, my intellectual background, engineering background, I'm building an art installation that actually builds social capital by giving people permission, by giving them the ability to play. The ability to play and the idea of wonder in an art installation is one that I want to create. And through these Speakeasy Cubes, I believe I've done that. The early prototypes, as you can see here, are built with some basic components. And on right now I just have two multicolored LEDs that we'll see a little bit later as my friends help me demonstrate it. And written custom software with these custom components. And right now they're running off some batteries. And right around it now is just a rather kind of inexpensive plastic shell. And I'll just put the top on it for right now. Right now it's being jostled, and I can move it to different angles, and different angles will create different colors, ranging from kind of a violet through blue, green, yellows, and then kind of a reddish color at the top. In this video you might not be able to see the colors quite as clearly, sorry about that. And basically, the cubes will have different behaviors, and they'll have different games you can play with them. When you leave them alone, they'll have different behaviors. When you have three or more together, they'll have different behaviors and games. And the intention, though, is again to create an environment where people will participate. So while I do myself collect fine art that hangs on a wall, I personally want to create, through this installation, a participatory art to build that social capital. And so when two or more people play with the cubes at the same time, different things will happen. That is not coded in this prototype, so you will not see that today. You will see one behavior when two people play with it. But the further games I'm talking about, those are not implemented yet. Right now today, what we'll see is how with one cube I can wirelessly control the colors of the other cubes, just to show you that I have the basic infrastructure in place and that I can build on top of it.